The degree of polynomials. The degree of a polynomial is the greatest of the sum of variables indices for every single monomial. In other words, to determine the degree of a polynomial, the indices of different variables contained in a single monomial are added to each other. This procedure is carried out for all monomials separately. Then, we compare the sums obtained to determine the degree of the given polynomial. For example, the degree of the polynomial, we have the following shown on screen. Is 6, because we can write it as the following shown on screen. Hence, when adding the variables indices for every single monomial yields the following shown on screen. Hence, since the second term has the highest degree, 6, the given polynomial is of the sixth degree. Example. What is the degree of the polynomials shown in the following on screen? Solution. A. The polynomial is shown in the following on screen. Has 4 terms x squared y, minus 4xy squared, 8y to the power of 4 and minus 3 respectively. For the indices counting sake, we can write them as x squared y1, minus 4x1y squared, 8y to the power of 4 and minus 3 respectively. Hence, for the first term, we have the following shown on screen. For the second term, we have the following shown on screen. For the third term, we have the following shown on screen. For the fourth term, we have the following shown on screen. This is true because we have the following shown on screen. Hence, the degree of this monomial is 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. That is all for lesson 11.1.3. To continue this tutorial, please watch 11.1.4, the names of polynomials by degree. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.